If your furnace comes for a sec and goes, then that's definitely a flame sensor. To take the flame sensor, you just have to simply take this one out. Be careful that you're not damaging anything. So as you see, the flame sensor is a bit dirty. So now we're gonna clean it a bit and put it back. You can clean the flame sensor. Sometimes I see some people, they are doing it with their money, fiat money, and that's all you have to do. But after a few times doing it, it's better to be replaced, because then it will lose the whole sensitivity. That's all. So if your furnace comes for few seconds and shuts off because this dude is not sensing the flame and it worries if the gas is going and there is no flame, here you go. Then we close the door of the chamber of fire, combustion box that we have here, and that's it. All right, that's done. So furnace is running. Let's go upstairs to see what temperature we are getting. Oh, I forgot to put this one back. So you have to put this one. Make sure you're putting this one back.